All right, now this one was interesting. I found you because these are the only three things you could do, and you did all three with it. I'm talking about Maple Gold. You bought on a recent financing, you bought shares in the open market, and you exercised warrants. I would say you must be bullish on Maple Gold. I'm going to go out and say that.
Yeah, it's to our point earlier, Peter. It reminds me a lot of North Isle when Sam Lee joined the company. This is a company in Quebec. It's got about 3 million ounces of resource, great mining camp, huge land package. I always liked the asset, Peter, but I had some very serious reservations with the previous management team. Kieran Patankar, the CEO, came in about 2 years ago, and the old management team had done such a bad job that it was the kind of story that when investors got called, like main institutional investors got called and said, "Hey, would you like to take a meeting with Maple Gold?" You'd hear a click, click, and the phone would be dead. There'd be no more further conversation because so many people have been burned and frustrated by the old group. Kieran's an investment banker, like Sam Lee. I'm hoping to do some to you, Peter, in the near future. High energy, high integrity, does the right things. I met him 2 years ago, and I said, "Kieran, look, I like the asset. I didn't hang up the phone because I'm trying to stay open-minded about all investment opportunities. But here are the 8 things that really keep me from investing in Maple Gold. These are all the laundry list of issues that you're inheriting from the previous management team." Not only did he not know, he knew all of them, Peter. He said, "I have a plan to fix them all." I said, "Good luck to you." I shook his hand. He went back, worked his tail off for a year, fixed all 8 of those issues. But the perception on the street was, I'm not talking to Maple Gold. And so he fixed all the issues that the company had, cut the G&A, restructured the joint venture agreement, restructured the geological team, restructured the board, the management, did an A-plus job. Now we've got an A-plus team, A-plus board. The drilling's going fantastic. We're gonna have a new resource update coming out in the next couple of weeks to a couple of months. Not sure when the resource will be ready, but it'll be out soon. It's going to show, like Radisson, hopefully a very good size increase in the ounce count. And the stock still trades at a, to me, bargain basement valuation, about $30 US in the ground because of the old stigma of Maple Gold. So every investor that Kieran meets comes in skeptical, leaves the meeting like neither wanting to buy stock or wanting to do more work on the story. And I think the outlook is extremely bright for Maple. They've raised $36 million of cash. The company's well financed, 100,000 meter drill program. So yes, it's very rare that I buy in the open market, buy in a financing, and exercise warrants. I've taken my position up to about 8.4% of the company, and I've signed on as a strategic advisor to Kieran because I love working with him and the team and have a lot of fun growing that business as well.